Now, Dan, these tools come in all shapes and sizes, I guess. So, is this the smallest that you manufacture?
Yeah, this one is the smallest. It's 10 millimeters in diameter and 10 times T in length.
Wow, okay, so that is actually going quite long.
Yeah.
And you've got all the damping technology in the tip of this as before.
Yeah.
That's amazing. That is really crazy. So that is quite one extreme. So what would be the longest tool that you could do?
Yeah, measured in times D.
Yep.
That's the longest tool we make.
Right, and what is
That's
that?
18 times the
18
diameter
times
and
D.
100 millimeters in diameter.
Wow, that is amazing. So I mean, that really is pretty extreme. I mean, would you say that was the most extreme tool that you do?
Not really, because it's still quite stiff. Because it's
100 mil diameter.
Exactly. Well, this one is more extreme and harder to make to work.
Oh, I see.
Because it's less diameter and 14 times D.
I mean, obviously in this world of computers and stuff, is an active tool sort of where you're headed, so you know exactly what's going on all the time?
Yeah. The tool over there that we looked at before.
Oh, what, that's it?
That's it.
Wow. Okay, so that's obviously connected up to this machine. So, and that's what the screen is then. So can I try and deflect it? See what happens?
Yeah, you can try and push it.
That sounds like a challenge, but...
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at that. So what am I managing?
So that's 0.4 millimeters.
0.4 millimeters. That sounds, I mean, you know, I'm giving it some. Can we see it actually operate?
Yeah, sure.
I mean, is it like a normal, like a lathe? You'd actually have to set the tool up to make sure it's the right height and the right orientation?
Yeah, that is what the operator will start with, is to look at the tool setup. That's a level, a digital level.
So it knows where it is in space as well?
And we have the live view screen here, which
so you've got temperature as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it shows us the deflection and the load of the bar.
Yeah.
Total load is very important to know.
Of course.
And then we also measure the vibration level of the tool, which is very related to the surface you actually get in the end.
Of course.
So these are also two very important
Yeah.
features that we measure.
Fire her up, please. Yeah.